Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and hey, we're at the Sunroom in Presidium Frisco Square. The Sunroom in Presidium Frisco Square. This is pretty beautiful. This is a gorgeous room on the second floor. It's just a room to just kind of relax. It's a room you could probably rent out as well. There is a sun porch. We're gonna go check that out in just a minute. But so many cool amenities here. And listen, if you're the person, kind of the person, some of us are like, we just want to see the apartment. But I have to tell you that Presidium Frisco Square, the amenities are so stunning that you're going to want to see all of these amenities, either on a virtual tour or a live in-person tour. Very pretty room. I also see a separated room here that this would be perfect for renting because it closes off. And you could do a party in here, maybe even a cooking party, things like that. This is cool. Looks like a full kitchen in here. It's got a wine fridge. This would be, yeah, like kind of a preparation kitchen kind of room. This is pretty cool, and it does close off. Very nice feature here at the Presidium Frisco Square. And then finally, the sun porch. Let's go look at that. Wow, beautiful sun porch. It's awesome. It's gorgeous. Look at this. So it's very ornate, very, very pretty, well done. And then, of course, you do have just great views. It's a really pretty community. It looks awesome. And then there's the pool and things down there. So that's what that looks like. It's really, really nice. So just wanted to show that off to you. Hey, if you have questions at any time or you're ready to take a virtual or an in-person tour, send me a text. That's the quickest way to get a tour. I would start with a virtual tour. Let's set that up for you. We can do that even as early as today, depending on when you're watching this, or we can do that at a later time. So send me that text. I look forward to hearing from you.